How are current market conditions influencing your rent pricing strategies?
We are seeing some pricing pressures right now with rent increases and with what vacant homes are renting for during the 2020, 2021, 2022, the COVID years and kind of follow on few years after that, you were able to increase rents pretty strong, right? 5, 10, 15%. People paid them, they didn't care. Now it's a lot less. You're looking in our area, 2 to 3% increase, which is it's not as good as it was, but if you can increase 2 to 3, maybe 4 or 5 a year, I feel like you're doing pretty good. You don't add any increases in taxes and insurance. It minimizes your risk of turnover. We're seeing houses sit on the market for 30, 60 days. We're doing a lot of coaching with owners at renewal time with this data that there's a lot of pricing pressures. If we increase 10, 15, 20%, there's a very high likelihood the tenant will move out. And there's also a very high likelihood that you may not get more in rent than that tenant was paying you. You may have to lower. If they've been there 4 or 5 years, you can expect to paint the house in our area. Our painters charge about $2 a square foot. So 1,500 square foot house, that could be $3,000 in paint, plus other associated maintenance. And then, your lost rent. What if they're paying $1,800 a month and you're out for 2, 3 months, 3,600 or more, over $5,000 in lost rent, and you add on other turnover costs, you could be looking at a $10,000 hit. What will it take you to make that back? So keep the tenants in the house if at all possible.